Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Sarfaraz. Today I have some shocking news. Hackers reportedly hijacked several high-profile Instagram accounts, including an account associated with Barack Obama, simply by talking to Meta's AI chatbot. Instead of using malware or stealing passwords, the attackers exploited a flaw in Meta's AI-powered support system. They convinced the chatbot to add their email address to the target account. The AI then sent the verification code to the attackers, allowing them to reset the password and take over the account. After discovering this issue, Meta quickly fixed the vulnerability and improved its account recovery process. This incident shows that even AI can become a security risk if it isn't protected with strong identity verification. If you use Instagram, make sure to enable two-step verification and use a strong unique password to keep your account safe. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more tech news.